And now, your local weather authority forecast.
The dry trend continues across the basin. This is a live look at the Tall City on your wacky Wednesday morning. Yeah, the reason why I said wacky is because we're going to be seeing a big kind of wacky weather pattern change. We're on the very mild and breezy side of that. The city lights not highlighting any thick clouds. Still dark out there. We are seeing some high altitude thin clouds, and those high altitude thin clouds are indicative of the weather pattern change. We do notice the satellite and radar loop indicating that those clouds are moving from west to east. So as these clouds move on through west to east, as they continue to do so, we're eventually going to be seeing stronger winds and that weather pattern change close in on the basin. But we didn't see any greens on the satellite and radar loop, so remaining dry. And combine that with stronger winds, folks, it is fire weather season and blowing dust season. High wind warning in effect till 8 p.m. local time for the Guadalupe Mountains, Delaware Mountains near Pine Springs, and also just north of Marfa in the Davis Mountains especially. Winds may gust close to 60 to 70 miles per hour. A very windy and dusty day. Fire weather warning in effect till 8 p.m. local time. That does include Midland, Odessa, Lamesa, Big Lake, Fort Stockton, really for the rest of the basin, folks. So make sure you guys are weather aware. And with very windy conditions, as I mentioned, it'll be dry. We're seeing the mostly clear skies right now, sitting right around 48 degrees. Not too chilly for this time of year in the Tall City, with the wind out of the south at 8 miles per hour. Relative humidity at 37%. So remaining dry, becoming more windy, and becoming very mild later today. So with the dusty conditions, we are going to be seeing well above normal temperatures before that weather pattern change. High altitude thin clouds moving on through from Carlsbad to Hobbs into the northern basin, not producing any rain today. The farther south we go, the sunnier it'll be, especially later this afternoon. Average high in the Tall City is right around 58 degrees. Average low 32 degrees. We should be at the freezing mark. Again, we're in the mid to upper 40s right now, but eventually warming up to 78 degrees. So while temperatures are above normal to start off by as much as 10 to 15 degrees, maybe even more than 15 degrees above normal this afternoon. So out in front of a cold front, winds picking up from south and west, blowing dust around, elevating the risk for fire danger, and these temperatures will be spring-like. Mid-70s, Midland, Odessa, low to mid-70s in Marfa and Alpine, high 60s, lower 70s in Lubbock. Cooler weather, though, and in places like Amarillo, eventually that cooler weather will spill its way in overnight, dipping into the 30s and 40s late overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Yeah, 40s, cooler compared to what we'll be seeing right now for many areas of the basin, but still not too cold for this time of year. Wind switching out of the north and west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. A breezy day tomorrow, not quite as windy as today, but yeah, much cooler day. Despite more clouds, remaining rain-free. High temperature, 57 degrees, very close to normal temperatures for this time of year tomorrow. Very mild today, closer to normal temperatures tomorrow. Eventually warming up as we head into the weekend despite more clouds, remaining dry. And yeah, we are going to be seeing temperatures generally at or above normal.